This is an old-fashioned adjustable spanner, or adjustable wrench as they call them in the United States. It's made in England and it's the King Dick brand. I bought it at a Trash and Treasure market a few weeks ago, and it was completely rusted together. I cleaned it up, and here it is. It's about 155 millimeters long in a closed position and 11 millimeters thick. I always write notes on the tools I restore just so I know when and where I bought them. It's quite a heavy duty spanner, and I believe these were in use up until maybe sometime in the 1940s or 1950s to be replaced by the modern style, although these ones seem much more robust than the modern style ones. The King Dick brand is written along there, although it's a bit hard to see. So there it is. Thank you for watching.